So hi guys, today we are solving question number 3 of exercise 8.2, innings 8.2 of book R.S. Agrawal class 8th. So our question is, Ramesh's father's present age is 3 times Ramesh's age. After 12 years, his father's age will be twice his age. Find their present ages. So our question is saying, देखिए सबसे पहले हमारा क्वेश्चन कह रहा है रमेश के पापा की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो उसकी एज की 3 टाइम्स है. मतलब इफ़ वी विल सपोज रमेश एज एज एक्स, सो हिज फादर एज विल बी 3x, and our question is saying after 12 years his father's age will be twice his age. Find their present ages. So let's solve it. So our solution will be as it is, like I am saying that let the age of Ramesh be x, his father's age be 3x. So we had supposed Ramesh age be like x and his father's age 3x. So our question is saying after 12 years. After 12 years means after 12 years 12 साल के बाद his father's age will be twice his age, means x plus 12. If we will saying that after 12 years, so will we be going to add 12 years in Ramesh age also and his father's age also. So x plus 12 equals to Ramesh age after 12 years, and father age equals to 3x plus 12. And now there is twist in our question, that our question is saying after 12 years, मतलब 12 सालों के बाद जो उसके पापा की एज होगी वो उसकी एज की डबल होगी. मतलब अगर हम लोग रमेश के एज का डबल करें तो फिर उसके पापा की एज बनेगी. मतलब उसके पापा की एज, ये क्या कह रहे हैं, उसके पापा की एज उसकी एज की डबल होगी 12 सालों के बाद. तो अगर हम लोग रमेश की एज में 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो हमारे पास उसके पापा की एज आ जाएगी. सो इफ़ वी विल डू 2 ब्रैकेट x plus 12 रमेश एज एंड 3x plus 12, अगर अब इन दोनों को सामने सामने इक्वल्स टू रखें तो ये दोनों इक्वल होंगे, बिकॉज हमारा क्वेश्चन कह रहा है 12 सालों के बाद रमेश की एज उसके पापा की एज से मतलब हाफ होगी. मतलब उसके पापा की एज उसकी एज से डबल होगी. सो हमारी इक्वेशन बन गई है एंड अब हम लोग इसे सॉल्व कर लेंगे. सो 2x 24, 3x plus 12, and then 24 plus minus 12, 3x minus 2x, 12, x equals to 12. X equals to 12. Sorry. So we had supposed x as Ramesh age. So Ramesh age equals to 12 years, and his father's age थ्री एक्स क्या होगा, 3 into 12. 12 and 12, 12 is 24, 12 and 12, 12 is 24, 12 is 36. So his father's age equals to 36 years. This is our answer. So I hope that you have liked my video. So if you have liked my video, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.